Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account. To know how to on Bumble app, to know how to fix or how to find the solution about exited account on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. You can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So if it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.